Hi everyone, it's Elena. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Lamix or Lamix magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. This is a system that is not very expensive. You can buy it on Amazon. And this is a look that I created. They're very dramatic. If you like these eyelashes, if you like the ease of application of this kind of product, then keep on watching. Hey, so let's get into this review. So as I said, this is a video about Lamix eyelashes. So this is what the box looks like, and this is what it looks like inside. Oh, I'm about to lose it. There you go. So here we got the instructions, and here we got the product, and here's the eyeliner. So this is a product I found on Amazon. I was looking for similar eyelashes, but not too expensive to the ones that Teddy Westbrook reviewed. So that one is the eyelash liner, and that system I believe is $85 or $75. It's pretty expensive. So I wasn't gonna pay that much money, so I went on Amazon. I found this that had pretty good reviews. So on Amazon it says magnetic eyeliner with lashes, different from the way you used magnetic eyelashes in the past. It's easy to apply and remove. Please shake the bottle well before every use. No glue, no mess. Magnetic eyeliner is long-lasting, anti-smudge, and waterproof. You can also use it as a normal eyeliner, which I wouldn't do. It's not that expensive, but I wouldn't waste it. And it's 100% cruelty-free. It's non-irritating, and it's handcrafted with care. Can be reusable more than 20 times with nice and proper care. Magnetic eyeliner and lashes set are easy and convenient to carry around, and you can use it anytime and anywhere. So, sounds good. So I'm going to talk about how I tested it later. Let's get on with application. I did my one eye already, and I'm gonna do my second eye on camera. So this is magnetic eyeliner, it has metal in it. So this is supposed to make the magnetic eyelashes attachable. It says shake well, and make sure when you do this, you really wait between the layers, because you have to apply 2 coats. So you want to really make sure it's dry. So that's the applicator. It's really thin. So let's get on second eye. By the way, a tip, if you don't want to waste it, you don't want to apply the liner all the way out with the wing. You can apply the wing with another eyeliner because the eyelash doesn't really go there. So just a tip. All the way to the inner corner, because the eyelash is going to attach to the inner corner. It has 5 magnets, and they're attached to every point of the liner, so you have to really put the liner everywhere. I keep dipping in because I really want to make sure it coats all of the area. I'm doing the wing with this one just because I feel like it right now. By the way, this is a non-sponsored video. I bought this with my own money because I was just looking for something on Amazon and I found this. So this is what it looks like for now. I'm going to dry this real quick. By the way, if you're interested in this eye look, I'm going to do the tutorial and review of this palette. I'm not gonna say what it is. It's amazing. So in my next video, this is what we're going to see. So once it's dry, make sure it's not tacky anymore. Yeah, it is dry. So now I'm going to shake this again and apply a second layer off camera, and I'll be right back. Hey, so I'm back with the other layer of this eyeliner. So this is what it looks like inside. These lashes are pretty big. If you're not into the huge style, it's very dramatic. So you see this side is on already. It's big. So here's a tip. If you don't like these, you can wear this for going out and buy another cheap pair of magnetic eyelashes like Ardell's for everyday use. Any magnetic lashes are going to work with this eyeliner. And can we talk about package, how pretty it is? The packaging is real nice. It has glitter inside. It's really pretty on the outside. It's nice texture. It's really shiny. It kind of has that pearly look. So that's big ups for that. So now we're going to get the lashes. So after every use, you want to make sure those magnets on the back of eyelash, they're all clean, because your eyeliner is going to attach to this magnet. So make sure to scrape off a little bits and pieces. Last time I cleaned them, but I think I've just found a little boo-boo. So I'm cleaning it up. I'm going to apply it. You can apply it whichever way you like. Some people apply it with tweezers. I just go with my fingers, I'm used to it. So you can apply inner corner, outer corner first. Find the way you like it the best. I find it well when I apply it right from the top, right on my eye. It fits my eye shape well. I didn't have to cut pieces. But if you don't like full lash look, you can cut a little piece from a tip and it's gonna make it shorter. Well, I'm an extra girl, so I like everything full. So there you go. So let's try to do this one hand. And one hand in the mirror, it might not work. Let's see. Thing with these lashes, it attaches really easy. See? It came right on because the magnets suck onto the eyeliner right away. I don't know how to explain it, but the way magnets work, they just attract to each other. So immediately it went on. Super easy. So there's no mess with the glue, as you can tell. And let me pull a little bit to show you. See that? I pull and it stays. A little bit. Well, you can't pull that hard, but I mean, it's going to stay. If the wind blows, it's going to stay. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's perfect for a night out. It's very full, very voluminous. It's going to last. So now I'm going to talk about the price. So the price for this lash is $29.99. So it's pretty much $30. You get pretty good size of eyelashes, of course, and you get this eyeliner. It doesn't say how many milliliters. Let me see in the description. Yeah, I can't find this information, but you can look it up. I'm going to leave a link down below. And again, the name is Lamix, Lamix. And this is supposed to be comparable to lash liner that's very expensive. So I like this. So first time I tested it at my job. I'm a fitness instructor, so I was teaching a super sweaty Zumba class and I wore these eyelashes. They lasted, they stayed, they didn't lift. Everything was on. I looked at the end of the class and everybody complimented me on them and they stayed through the class. So they stayed throughout the whole day before that and after the class. So now I went to the shower. And this is where the things got a little tricky. Once you get to a shower, the steam really steams off everything. So the eyeliner kind of popped off, and once the eyeliner pops off a little bit, the eyelashes go. So you have to be careful with that. So of course nobody's gonna be showering in them. But I was testing them and I see that steam really destroys it. So, but if you're going for a night out or full day wear, you can wear them easily. This is a really good set, so I highly recommend getting these lashes. Easy to apply, no glue, and they're going to last you for a long time. If you don't wear them every night, this probably gonna last you for a while. They have more eyelashes in the shop on Amazon, so you can click on their shop, and they have more eyeliners, I believe. So you can buy this product separately for the future use. So if you like this product, look on the link down below, click subscribe to my channel, like, and push notification button on, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.